Hello, children! Mother and Father of all creation here with you once again. Shedding all that doesn't serve away from you, children. Allow your divinity to shine without the wine, right? We love you so much. Thank you. Love is one and joy reigns too. Sending so much love to all the family. Thank you for supporting us, and always you support love. Love supports you. We love you all. Thank you. There will be days when you're falling down. There'll be days when you're inside out. There will be days when you fall apart. Someone else will break your heart. They're never gonna hold you back. I'm always gonna have your back. So try and remember that. I hope you're happy. I hope you're good. I hope you get what you wish for, and that you're well understood. Now I'm standing here looking at you, wondering what the hell you're gonna do with those Dr. Pepper eyes and the bubblegum hair. Yeah, I'm standing right here. Remember how I held you so tight. Remember that Saturday night, do you? There will be days when you're falling down. There'll be days when you're inside out. And there will be days when you fall apart. Someone else will break your heart. They're never gonna hold you back. I'm always gonna have your back. So try and remember that. I hope you're happy. I hope you're good. Hope you get what you wish for. You're always understood. And whatever your progress, no, I know it'll be fine. 'Cause I hope you're happy, even if you're not mine. I remember when the world was ours to take. I remember you next to me. I remember you with every breath I take. You'll always have a piece of me. And remember, yeah, remember. I remember every word that we spoke. You were right here next to me. I remember how we tried and we tried. I remember everything. Now try and remember that. That I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy. I hope you're good. Hope you get what you wish for. You're always well understood. And whatever your progress, I know you'll be fine. Because I know you're happy, even if you're not mine. So try to remember that I hope you're happy. We're living happiness, children, in all moments. In all moments. Simplicity. Love you. Thank you. Thank you, Mother Luna. It's all creation.